Hello, my dear students. Lecture number 19 for CBSE Board. Chapter number 6 Triangles. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 6.5, question number 9. A ladder 10-meter long reaches a window 8 meter above the ground. Find the distance of the foot of the ladder from base of the wall. Now, if you want to solve this type of examples, you represent this given example by means of figure so that you can easily solve this example. Okay. Now, try to understand. Now, this is a ground level. This is a ladder 10 meter 10 meter long, and this is a window which is above the ground 8 meters. Find the distance between this base of wall and feet of ladder. Okay. Now describe your figure. WB is equal to distance of the window above the ground is equal to 8 meters. WL is equal to length of ladder 10 meters. BL, this is BL, is equal to distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall. Okay. Now in this case, wall is always perpendicular to the ground, and therefore in triangle WBL, angle B is equal to 90. And now here you use Pythagoras theorem. So WB square plus BL square is equal to WL square, and therefore BL square is equal to 100 minus 64 gives you 36, and therefore BL is equal to 6 meter. Hence, distance of the foot of the ladder from the base of the wall is equal to 6 meter. Okay. Question number 14. Question number 10. A wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meters is 24 meter long and has a stag attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stag be driven so that the wire will be taut? Okay, tight. Now, again, same thing, draw your figure according to given information. Now, this is a vertical pole, so this angle is equal to 90. This is ground level. This is a wire AC 24 meter, and this is a pole having height 18 meter. Now, AB is equal to height of vertical pole is equal to 18 meters. AC is equal to length of the wire 24 meters. BC is distance of a stang from pole. AB is pole vertical to the ground. Okay, so in this case, remember this is a vertical, therefore this angle is 90. And now you use Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree, and therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, Pythagoras theorem, and therefore 324 plus BC square is equal to 576, and therefore BC square is equal to 576 minus 324 gives you 252, and therefore BC is equal to under root 252. Simplify this. So this is under root 4 into 9 into 7, and therefore you take 4 and 9 outside the root sign as 2 and 3. So 2 into 3 6, 6 root 7 meters. So BC is equal to 6 root 7 meter. Now therefore stag should be driven from the base of the pole 6 root 7 meter so that the wire will be tight. Okay. Question number 11. Now, these type of questions are important because in this question, actual sides are not given, speeds are given, and you have to find distance using speed and time. An aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north at a speed of 1000 km per hour. At the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at speed of 1200 km per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1 and 1 upon 2 hours? Okay, now draw figure. So this is aeroplane A, or one aeroplane, and this is another aeroplane. Speed of this plane is equal to 1000 km per hour, and the one speed of this plane is equal to 1200 km per hour. By means of formula, distance is equal to speed into time. Find this distance and find this distance. And now you know north and west both are perpendicular, so this angle is equal to 90, and use Pythagoras theorem to find this distance. Okay, let aeroplane having speed 1000 km per hour be at point A after 1 and 1/2 hours at north, and aeroplane having speed 1200 km per hour be at B after 1 and 1/2 hours at west. In this case, north and west are at 90 degree, and therefore in triangle AOB, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Now you know distance is equal to speed into time, and therefore distance AO is equal to 1000 into 3 upon 2 gives you 15,1500 kilometers. Distance BO is equal to 1200 into 3 upon 2 gives you 600 into 3 is equal to 1800 kilometer. Let AB be the distance between two planes, then AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square gives you 225,000 square of what this, and square of what 18 18,1800 is equal to 324 and 4 zeros. So if you add this, you will get 549,000, and therefore AB is equal to 549 into 100 into 100, and is equal to 9 into 61 into 100 into 100. So you take 9 and 100 outside as 3 and 100. So AB is equal to 300 root 61 kilometers, and hence two aeroplane will be 300 root 61 kilometer far apart after 1 and 1 upon 2 hours. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.